Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th Edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8B, Question number 3, Basic Level. Question number 3. An elastic band which is 72 cm long is stretched to 90 cm. Find the percentage increase in its length. In order to calculate percentage increase of the same object, we will use the formula for percentage increase. To use this formula we will require difference of values. Here we have given, initial length of elastic band equals to 72 cm and increased or final length of the elastic band after being stretched is 90 cm. So, for calculating the difference of values we will subtract the initial value from the increased or final value. After subtracting we have 18 cm, so there is an increase of 18 cm in length of the elastic band after being stretched. Now to calculate percentage increase in length of the elastic band, substitute the calculated difference of lengths and initial value of the elastic band in the formula for percentage increase. Then simplify to get the percentage increase as shown in steps. After simplification we have 25%, therefore, there is 25% increase in length of the elastic band after being stretched. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.